Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, we will show you how to fix Valorant blocked by incompatible software Ene.sys error.
Fix 1. Uninstall RGB hardware control software. Step 1. Press Windows plus I and open apps. Step 2. Uninstall Ene RGB Gasus Aura Armory Crate MSI Dragon Center Gigabyte RGB Fusion. Fix 2. Disable Ene.sys driver temporary. Step 1. Press Windows plus R. Type services. MSC. Press Enter. Step 2. Find Ene service. Step 3. Right. Click Stop and set Startup Type disabled. Fix 3. Delete Ene.sys file. Step 1. Open File Explorer. Go to C: Windows /System32 /drivers. Step 2. Find Ene.sys. Step 3. Right. Click Delete. Admin permission needed. Step 4. Restart PC. Fix 4. Update or reinstall Vanguard. Step 1. Press Windows plus R. Type appvis. CPL. Press Enter. Step 2. Uninstall Riot Vanguard. Step 3. Restart PC. Step 4. Open Valorant to reinstall Vanguard.